Here's Bambino app, babysitting made easy, local sitters for busy parents. Welcome to Bambino, the future of babysitting that's got you covered from start to finish. Bambino is the one-stop intuitive app you've been eagerly anticipating, the perfect solution to all your babysitting needs. We have reimagined the way you discover trusted babysitters right within your neighborhood. Join the Bambino community and easily find, book, and pay local sitters recommended by friends and neighbors, all within the tap of an app. When you're in need of a babysitter for some me time, we time, free time, all you have to do is just create requests, entertainment dates, select sitters, and send. Quick and easy bookings, access to a wealth of local sitters, your recommendations from friends and neighbors, transparent standardized rates, free to download app available coast to coast in US. So only United States, but all states. So it's super easy to create an account, it's kind of like babysitter marketplace. And then you just have it in here. And then you just can enter your mobile phone number and start an account.